So it's sharp 5:30 a.m. now and I have wake up. Yes, I am late because current was not there and it was raining heavily. इन्वर्टर में भी चार्ज नहीं था तो करंट अभी आया तो मैं अभी उठ चुका हूँ. कोई बात नहीं, मैनेज कर लूँगा क्योंकि कॉलेज नहीं है आज, तो यूपीएससी और ग्रेजुएशन दोनों मैनेज कर लूँगा. लेकिन आई वांट टू एड्रेस सम कमेंट्स ऑफ माय व्यूअर्स. बहुत लोगों ने कमेंट ये किया कि भाई तू ये कौन सा स्टूपिड सा रूटीन फॉलो कर रहा है, 2:30 को क्यों उठ जाता है, आराम से सो ले, अगर नहीं सोएगा तो स्टडी कैसे कर पाएगा, हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ वैसे. और बहुत लोगों ने ट्रोल भी थोड़ा किया. तो मैं उन लोगों को कहना चाहूँगा, माई डियर ब्रदर्स, इफ़ आई डोंट वेक अप एट 2:30 हाउ विल आई मैनेज बोर्ड ग्रेजुएशन एंड यूपीएससी. हाउ? मेरे कॉलेज होते हैं 9 बजे से, तो अगर मैं सुबह का टाइम को अगर मैं यूपीएससी को नहीं दूंगा, शाम के टाइम में मैं ग्रेजुएशन का स्टडी करता हूँ, तो मैं कैसे मैनेज कर पाऊँगा. सो शार्प 6 a.m. नाउ and after done with all my stuffs, as you can see I am back to my study table and now I am going to memorize whatever notes I prepared yesterday of Neha ma'am class. So I will memorize first from 6 to 8 and then from 8 to 10 I will memorize. I will practice the flowchart, diagram, etc, etc. सो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 8 a.m. नाउ. और मैंने कल जो लेक्चर देखा था नेहा मैम का और उससे जो मैंने पीडीएफ डाउनलोड किया था वो मैंने स्टडी किया, मेमोराइज़ किया 2 आवर तक. तो अभी और बाकी आधा, तो आधा मैंने कर लिया है. तो आधा मैं 8:15 से स्टार्ट करूँगा. अभी मैं थोड़ा सा रेस्ट लूँगा, फिर 8:15 से लेके 10:15 या 10:30 तक मैं उसे ख़त्म करूँगा. Okay, so it's sharp 8:15 a.m. now and as you can see I am back to my study table and now जो मेरा रिमेनिंग पार्ट रह गया है मैं उसे मेमोराइज करूँगा और उसके बाद रिवीजन करूँगा. Okay, so it's sharp 10:30 a.m. now and I am done with reading the notes whatever I prepared yesterday. And now what I'm going to do is, now I will bath and then I will have my food and I have to go to Silabhatar also to bring some notebooks and some books. Okay, so it's 11:40 a.m. now and I had bath, I had my food, and what now I'm going to do is, now I will take rest for 1.5 hours, that is I will sleep. And let me tell you that I am not going to Silabhatar because my father told that no need to carry so many items from here, you go there and buy the books and notebooks. So it's sharp 12:58 p.m. now and after sleeping for 1 hour I have wake up and as you can see I am on my table. And what now I am going to do is, now I am going to study for my graduation, that is I will study my honor subject, that is anthropology. Some notes I have prepared yesterday, so now I am going to read those notes and I am going to memorize them. So it's sharp 3 p.m. now and I had read my notes of graduation, that is anthropology notes. I read about ecology, ecosystem. These things we got in our earlier classes, but still I have read about it, I understood about it. So these are the things which one should not by heart, they should understand the thing properly, concept is required. So I did the same and now I'm going to take a short break of 15 to 20 minutes and around 3:30 I'll be back to my study table again and then I will continue the remaining part. So it's sharp 3:32 p.m. now and after a short break, as you can see I am back to my study table and now I will read my notes of graduation, that is anthropology. So from 3:30 till 5 or 5:30 I will complete and then I will end my study session for today. So it's sharp 6 p.m. now and I am done with reading my notes of graduation. So I think it's enough for today. So I will end my session here and now I'll spend some time with my mom, dad, my sister and then around 7:30 I'll have my food and 8 p.m. I'll go to bed. Okay, so it's sharp 6:30 p.m. now, and as you can see our market area. I've just come for a walk. Okay, so it's sharp 7 p.m. now, and as you can see the beauty of the moon. I'm showing you, so beautiful, man. Okay, so it's sharp 7:30 p.m. now, and now I'll have my food. As you can see here, now I'll have my food, and then around 8 p.m. I'll go to bed. Okay, so it's sharp 7:55 p.m. now, and I had my dinner, and as you can see I am on my bed and now I'll sleep. But before that I would like to share a small motivational line with you. सुनसानी माहौल की हटेगी, खुशियों का बाजा बजेगा, और अगर आप काबिलियत होगी तो गरीब का बच्चा भी राजा बनेगा. गुड नाइट.